Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we have something very special for you, an unboxing of the redmagic 9 Pro Plus Bumblebee edition. First of all, I would say this phone is perfect for co-branding. It's flat and complete enough on the back that you can turn it into any customized artwork. I'm sure that this Bumblebee collection would excite gamers and Transformers fans alike, so let's not waste any more time and get right into it. And if you want to buy this limited phone, head to geekwheels.com, link down below. Pushing open the outer box, you are greeted with a yellow box that looks like a honeycomb structure with the iconic Bumblebee and an image from the Bumblebee standalone movie. It's a nice touch. Lifting the lid reveals the color-matched magnetic cooler 4 Pro to make sure your phone stays cool during intense gaming sessions. There's also a 165-watt GAN charger for ultra-fast charging and of course the themed USB-C cable and pin. It's worth noting that the case in the package is magnetic, making it perfect for use with the cooler. Also included in the package is an extra cable to power the cooler. Holding the redmagic 9 Pro Plus in my hand, it feels sturdy and elegant. The design is a brilliant marriage of yellow and black hues, reminiscent of the iconic Bumblebee character from the Transformers. You can even see some screws patterns exposed to view, which creates a very mecha-style aesthetic that also makes the back panel feel like a work of art, with carbon fiber texture and a metallic finish that emphasizes high performance. The back panel features a black strap that runs down the side. The Autobot logo is right there, sitting proudly next to the Bumblebee engraving. It's all in the detail, folks. I really like the resonance of the design. It's used to show off the co-branding with lots of color and small logos. Very clever. There's also a very large number of Bumblebee elements within the system with different wallpapers and holographic displays, which I'll briefly show off here. Now let's get to the specs. The redmagic 9 Pro Plus comes with a 6.8-inch 1.5K OLED display, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, and up to 16 gigs of RAM and 512 gigs of storage. It's built for speed and performance, whether you are playing games or browsing apps. For gamers, this phone gives you shoulder triggers, dual stereo speakers, and dedicated game modes. While the dedicated game modes button has been designed in Bumblebee's signature yellow color to take your mobile gaming to the next level. There's also Wi-Fi 7 support, so you can always connect it at the fastest response and most smooth gaming operation. Overall, the build quality of the special edition is still top-notch with even more charming vibrancy. Holding it horizontally for gaming, you would find it's well balanced. Although it's still pretty heavy, we don't feel much of its weight during intense gaming sessions. One of the biggest surprises is the customized magnetic cooler 4 Pro with a 27-watt output. It's just included inside the kit. Along with the magnetic phone case, it undoubtedly has the look of the most eye-catching mobile gaming set of 2024. But I still have a small complaint here. If this case could also be presented in black or yellow, it would be really perfect. Now let's move into the software. Actually, the customized interface and small software features are not really impressive. Although they do fit the theme of Bumblebee, the presentation is basically the same as most other co-branded phones. Of course, we get some customized icons, wallpapers, and animations, but especially after looking at quite a few AI-generated images, I even had the illusion of wondering if the wallpapers were also done by an AI artist. The redmagic 9 Pro Plus Bumblebee Edition is not just a phone, it's a statement. If you're a fan of Transformers or just looking for a top-notch gaming phone, then this is the phone for you. Alright, thanks for watching, and again, this phone is available on geekwheels.com. I'm Will from China. See you soon.